Hello, I'm Ogisupi, the computer guru. Subscribe to learn everything about computer.
Hello, good afternoon, good day, good evening. You are welcome to this page. Today our lecture will center on our page number. How do we put page number in Microsoft Office? So now we have a blank document. As you can see, page number is something you can do it to make it automatic. You don't have to be typing number at the bottom of your page, no. Immediately you insert the page number, it gives you an accurate page number. So now, for instance, you come to insert, then from insert now, you come to page number. You come to page number, you click on it, you select the position where the page number you want it to be. The first one now is on top of the page. Look at it. At the end of at the top of the page, you can fix it. As simple as it is. Now, there are different ways you can do it. So, as I told you earlier, this is an example of how page number used to be. When you come to insert, come to page number. Now, we want to change another format. So, likely we may need to remove the page number. This is how to remove it. Now let's open a document. For instance, this is a document. I don't want these numbers to appear. How to remove this number? You come to insert, page number. Here you remove page numbers. Then now, this document now doesn't have page number. So, how do we now insert the page number to the document? As we said, you come to insert, page number. So if you want the page number to be at the bottom of the page, the first one we tried was at the top of the page. So this one now, I want it to be at the bottom of the page. So to bring your cursor like this at the bottom, when you want it at the left hand side, this is it. Just click. But you can see it coming a Roman numeral. It shows me, instead of 1, 2, 3 in figures, it shows me Roman numeral. So how do we change it to the format of 1, 2, 3? You come to insert, you come to page number, then come to format page numbers. You click. The number you want it to start from 1. That's correct. This is the number format. So look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now, this is how to insert page number. This is it. As you can see, the numbers, you can decide to increase the font of the page number. When you highlight it, you come to home. Then this is the font size. You can highlight it to the size you want. So now I want the page number to be at the middle here. You come to insert. You first of all remove the page number first. Remove it. Come back to the page number. Then simply come to the bottom of the page, and here is the midpoint showing the middle. You can see it now. The page number is now in the middle. So you may like to insert the page number, but probably you don't want it to be 1, 2, 3. You want it in the form of Roman numeral or ABC. So you come to insert, you still go to format page number. Number format, this is where you come to the format now. You click on this arrow. Let me select ABC. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, let this be ABCD. Look at it. A, B, automatically C, D, E, continuously. If you want to now make it a Roman numeral, you come to page number, that's under insert, page number, remove it first, you come to insert, then you come to page number, you format the page number, then the number format now is Roman numeral in small letter. Now start with 1. Okay. Then you go back, select the position you want it to be, insert it. So as we are saying, if you want to page your work, and probably you wanted, like in a research work or project, for instance, the first preliminary pages normally they appear in Roman numeral, while from chapter 1 ideally it starts from 1. So now most people don't understand how to number it. So now let me open one project here so that we do it together. So this is a project. You can see from here the first page carries number 1 in Roman numeral, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6 in Roman numeral. Look at it. So now this chapter 1, you can see it starts with 1. So how do we do it? Let us now copy this work to a different location and paste it. It has come. So let us remove all the page numbering first. let's remove the page numbers. You can see we have a blank number here. There's no more page number in this work. So if you want to number it this way, the first thing you would do is to, this one now you are going to for page layout first. You have to break between this and this. This is the end of this preliminary pages, and this is the beginning of the main work, where in the preliminary side you want it to be Roman numeral, why in this main work you want it to start from 1. So now see how you can do it. You come to page layout, you have to break it so that everyone can take a different style. You are going to break, page layout, breaks, you click on it, click on next page. It has broken from here upward is a different thing, and from here upward downward is a different section. So now you come to page, you insert the page number, insert page number, just put the page number direct first. You can see it now. The page numbers continues, and it happens that it begins from 1. You see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 9. And then this one now is 10, but you wanted it to be 1. So you make sure you break it. You come to page layout, break, come to this, break. It will still maintain, yes, you can see it. Come to insert, page number, format, then ask that, then from this section now, it will start from 1. So look at it, it is 1. When you come back to this place, you format any point. You just go to any point. Just click on any point from the upper section. You come to insert, page number, format page number. Now you are formatting the page number from 1 to 3 to Roman numeral. Now start from 1. Okay, so we have a very beautiful one here. This is how you number your own project book or anything, so that in the same work you number from Roman numeral 1 to where it stops, and then you continue from 1, 2, 3 downward. Thank you for